For those listening now, especially online, ang feeling mo parang wala na, malayo na ako masyado. Too long, too far. I'm a big disappointment to the Lord siguro. Kapatid, please, go home. You can always go home to God's heart. Uwi ka na. Go home. The Father is waiting for you. Sisters and brothers, going home. There are many songs about going home, no? Country road, take me home. Home on the range. Ang dami tayong kanta. It's all about going home. I have been a rover. Ang dami mga kanta. O pati Tagalog. When you talk of home, bahay kubo. Bahay. So, there's something about the home that touches the heart of each one of us. Before anything else, pakitanong mo nga yung katabi mo, anong probinsya niyo? Taga saan po kayo? What province do you come from? Yun. When you talk about province, iba, may pakiramdam ka na you cannot explain. You know, we like going home.